In our last lecture, we covered problem number 16, Contract Vehicle Tracker, how Sambid tracks every GWAC and GSA schedule you hold, and checks your real eligibility before a window closes on you. You can check that one out in the playlist, Win U.S. Federal Contracts, SAM.gov. Now let's move to the last problem, problem number 17, and how we solve it. This is the one that holds all 16 others together. Where is your company data right now? Your UEI number buried in an email from 2022. Your certifications in a folder called New Folder 3. Your old proposals on a hard drive in a drawer. Here's exactly how Sambid fixes it mechanically. Your company profile, meaning your UEI, cage numbers, certifications, NAICS codes, and core capabilities, becomes the single shared context layer that every one of the 17 AI features reads from automatically. Team management sits on top of it with role-based access: admin, capture manager, proposal writer, reviewer, or member, so everyone sees exactly what they should. A document library holds your past proposals, capability statements, and teaming agreements, all searchable in one place. And if you'd rather hand it off entirely, the managed service means Sambid's own team monitors, writes, and submits bids on your behalf using this same profile. Fill the profile once, and every single tool, from matching to proposal writing to bid analysis to teaming, reads from that one accurate source. Never generic, never copy-paste, always about your actual company. And I'll show you in the dashboard exactly how this works. Okay. I just showed you the last problem, the one that holds all 16 others together. Your company data scattered across emails, folders, and drawers. Now let's actually walk through how Sambid fixes that, one real page at a time. Because this isn't one page, it's 4 pages working as one system. Step 1. It starts with your company profile, legal company name, and your SAM.gov UEI. That's your 12-character unique entity ID. You type it in, click Verify, and Sambid checks it live against SAM.gov, pulling in your legal business name and confirming your registration is real. Right next to it, your cage code, 5 characters, also required by the government. Step 2. Below that, your business address, your website, your phone number. Then your NAICS codes, up to 10 of them, the exact codes that drive your matching everywhere else in the platform. And your small business certifications. Tap the ones that apply. 8A, woman-owned, economically disadvantaged WOSB, HUBZone, service-disabled veteran-owned, small disadvantaged business. Last field, a core capabilities statement, a few sentences about what your company actually does. Save it once. Step 3. Now here's the part that matters. Everything you just entered doesn't just sit there. It's the data every other AI feature on this platform reads from automatically. Your go, no-go scoring, your capability statement generator, your certification expiry alerts at 90, 60, and 30 days out. One accurate profile, reused everywhere, instead of retyping your company info into 5 different tools. Step 4. Now let's move to team members. If you're not working alone, you invite people here by email. Each person gets a real role: admin, capture manager, proposal writer, reviewer, or member. And that role controls what they can actually do. Capture manager runs the pipeline. Proposal writer edits proposals. Reviewer can view and comment. Member sees shared content only. Your plan sets the limit. Starters 3 active members. Pros 10. Enterprise is unlimited. Step 5. And there's a second layer here: workspace access. As the owner, you can create separate login accounts, a username and password, completely outside your main Sambid account, and choose exactly which pages that person is allowed to see. Checkbox by checkbox. Opportunities, proposals, pipeline, whatever you pick. That's built for outside collaborators you don't want handed your full account. Step 6. Now, document library. Upload your proposals, past performance write-ups, capability statements, templates, compliance documents, SOWs, whatever you need your team to find fast. Every file gets a category tag, and a search bar sits right on top, so nobody's digging through a hard drive in a drawer again. Click any document, and you can leave a comment, so your team can discuss a specific file without leaving the page. Step 7. And last, if you'd rather not run any of this yourself, there's Managed Service. You apply, our team reviews your profile, your NAICS codes, your certifications, within 24 to 48 hours. Once you're active, our team finds real SAM.gov opportunities that match your company, writes and submits the proposals, and the moment you win, a fulfillment project is created automatically, with milestones tracked right on this page. And here's the important part. We only bill commission as the government actually pays each milestone. Never one lump sum up front. No win, no fee. And here's exactly where all 4 of these live: company profile, team members, document library, and managed service. 4 pages inside your company workspace, all built on that one shared source of truth you filled in once in step 1. That brings us to the end of this series, all 17 problems with going straight to SAM.gov, and exactly how Sambid solves each one for real inside the actual dashboard. My whole goal with this channel has always been the same: make your path to actually winning opportunities on SAM.gov easier, one real problem at a time. So if this series helped you, hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it genuinely helps this channel grow. And drop a comment below. Tell me, out of all 17, which problem was actually costing you the most contracts? I read every single comment, and your answers decide what I cover next.